Hey friends! Ever dreamed of making money from home just by typing? You're not alone, and I'm about to show you exactly how to do it with real legit websites. No fluff, no scams, just actual ways you can earn cash online as a remote worker, starting today. First up, let's talk about transcription. Sites like Rev and Transcribe Me pay you to listen to audio and type out what you hear. It's as simple as it sounds. You don't need fancy skills, just solid English and a good ear. Rev pays around 0.30 to 110 per audio minute. Transcribe Me is pretty similar, and you can get started with just a quick test. Pro tip: if you can type fast, you can earn more per hour. Next, if you'd rather type up documents or work with data, check out sites like Clickworker and Amazon Mechanical Turk. These platforms offer tons of small typing gigs, like data entry or text categorization. The pay varies, but it's perfect if you want to work in short bursts or fit gigs around your schedule. Remember, every little task adds up over time. Now, if you've got a knack for writing, Text Broker is a goldmine. You sign up, do a quick writing sample, and then you get matched with paid writing assignments. Rates go up as your writing improves, and you can withdraw your earnings straight to your PayPal. Want something a bit more flexible? Try Fiverr or Upwork. On these freelance marketplaces, you can offer all sorts of typing services, from retyping PDFs to creating ebooks or even virtual assistants. Set your own rates, build a portfolio, and watch the gigs roll in. The key here is to start small, get some reviews, and scale up as you go. But let's be real, no single site is perfect for everyone. That's why I've put together a super quick quiz, just 3 questions, to help you discover which online typing job matches your skills and lifestyle best. You'll find the link right in the description below. Take the quiz, and you'll get a personalized recommendation for your ideal way to start earning from home. So, if you're ready to turn your typing into a paycheck, check out the sites I mentioned: Rev, Transcribe Me, Clickworker, Amazon Mechanical Turk, Text Broker, Fiverr, and Upwork. And don't forget to hit that link in the description for your custom quiz result. That's it for today. Smash the like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Until next time, happy typing.